never stalked anybody in my life.
And that's what happened.
So you were arrested this morning, just before 7:30, I think it was about 7:25, by myself on suspicion of stalking causing fear of violence. And this relates to a female. You suggested that you could provide work for her or help her with finding some work, and as a result, she gave you her number. Since that day, it's alleged that you've embarked on several types of stalking behaviours that are fixated, obsessed, unwanted and repeated. And this has caused her to fear violence. What can you tell me about that?
Totally deny any of those allegations.
Okay.
She's been sending me mixed signals. She didn't at any point forcefully indicate that I do not ever want to speak to you again. Women sometimes say yes, sometimes they say no, sometimes yes means no and no means yes. You know what the score is. We're adults, okay? And sometimes mixed signals can come across a certain way.